HMPV right now is showing only mild cases in and around India, but there is no need for any concern or alarm. But yes, definitely we have to take precautions, we have to be careful. And if you have cold, cough, fever, sore throat, or if your children or if your elderly people have these symptoms, then please immediately get yourself tested and get your relatives tested and get the treatment done for it. So as of now, it is a variant of concern. You need not really worry about it, but we have to definitely take the precautions and follow the precautions which are being given by the government.